In 2023, the number of formal jobs worldwide stood at 3.42 billion. However, over the past 2 years, more than 14 million jobs have been lost as a result of artificial intelligence. While the decline might not appear dramatic at first glance, the trend suggests that the situation is likely to deteriorate further. Journalists, graphic designers, call center agents, cashiers, and numerous other jobs have been automated through AI technologies. It's only a matter of time before the next AI breakthrough causes the loss of even more jobs. Which jobs are truly at risk of being replaced in the coming years, and which ones can be considered the jobs of the future? Today, artificial intelligence is transforming nearly every aspect of our lives, and it's only getting started. From analysing massive datasets in seconds to predicting financial trends and medical conditions, AI is becoming the brain behind decision-making. It's powering virtual assistants that understand and respond in human language, generating realistic images, music, and even writing full articles or lines of code. In healthcare, AI is diagnosing diseases faster than doctors, while in business, it's optimizing customer service, logistics, and strategy. I couldn't, of course, not include self-driving cars, intelligent robots, and AI tutors. With rapid advancements in self-driving vehicle technology and AI-powered logistics systems, the days of human delivery drivers may be numbered. Companies like Amazon and Tesla are racing toward a future where packages, groceries, and even fast food arrive at your door autonomously. These systems don't need brakes, don't get tired, and can operate 24/7, making them far more efficient and cost-effective. Combined with drones and robotic delivery units, AI is set to revolutionize last-mile delivery, rendering many traditional driving jobs obsolete. While AI systems can navigate short distances with high precision, they still face significant challenges when it comes to covering longer distances reliably. For that reason, AI experts believe that by 2028, 95% of drivers will be replaced by artificial intelligence. And in case you're wondering, yes, AI can fly an aircraft, but only under specific conditions and within clearly defined parameters. For example, it can't make ethical or complex emergency decisions like a human-trained pilot might during engine failure or passenger illness. While pilots might not be replaced anytime soon, the same can't be said for the next group of people. Fast food chains are already replacing human workers with AI-powered robotic cooks and automated fry stations. These machines don't just prepare food, they do it consistently, quickly, and without error. With rising labour costs and increasing demand for speed and convenience, restaurants are turning to automation to handle everything from order taking to burger flipping. In the near future, AI could eliminate the need for frontline food service staff entirely, creating a seamless, contactless dining experience. The video you are watching right now is not from a sci-fi movie. It's just a small demonstration of what AI is capable of. On the other hand, acquiring such a robot takes time and costs money. That's why this profession may remain under threat of extinction within the next 2 to 3 years. The next profession, however, could be almost completely replaced, perhaps even as soon as tomorrow. While accounting once relied heavily on human precision and oversight, AI now performs complex financial calculations, fraud detection, and even tax filing faster and more accurately than any human. Machines can scan thousands of transactions and instantly detect anomalies or fraud patterns, things a human might miss or take hours to analyze. Instead of waiting weeks for monthly reports, AI can generate real-time dashboards and financial forecasts, helping businesses make faster data-driven decisions. Companies save money by replacing teams of junior accountants with automated systems that work 24/7 without breaks, salaries, or sick leave. As you can imagine, turning to AI in this case is not just an option, it's the only path forward. Now you might be wondering, how can line workers be replaced? AI-driven robots are taking over factory floors, replacing manual labour with mechanical precision. Unlike human workers, these machines don't fatigue, require breaks, or make repetitive motion mistakes. Whether it's in car manufacturing or packaging, robotic arms and smart sensors are now assembling products with greater accuracy and speed than ever before. The video features an intelligent robot effortlessly carrying a heavy load while executing complex movements. However, While smart robots may soon be capable of performing nearly every manual human task, human oversight will still be essential. The same, however, cannot be said for the next type of job. Ironically, even the creators of AI are not immune to its rise. Tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT are already writing, debugging, and optimizing code with astonishing speed. AI can analyze vast code bases, suggest improvements, and even generate entire applications based on natural language prompts. It's a fair question to ask. Who is building the very AI that is set to replace countless human jobs? The answer is simple. No one would willingly create something designed to replace themselves. And yet, with just a simple prompt, AI is now capable of generating entirely new AI systems, each with its own distinct purpose. Just like software engineers are watching AI write their code, teachers are witnessing it reshape the classroom, proving that even the minds behind the machines aren't immune to their evolution. While nothing can fully replace the emotional intelligence of a great teacher, over time, especially in standardized education systems or low-resource areas, AI may take over many of the repetitive tasks of teaching, allowing fewer human educators to manage more students. In China, for example, with the aid of this small device, teachers know exactly when the students are focused or not. This is a perfect example of AI making teachers' lives easier. However, in some pilot schools, students using Squirrel AI outperformed peers in traditional classrooms, leading to concerns that the human role is becoming supervisory rather than instructional. Personalized learning platforms use AI to adapt in real time to a student's strengths and weaknesses, offering customized lesson plans and instant feedback. Virtual tutors are available 24/7, and even classroom management can be assisted by AI tools. As AI continues to evolve, the number of teaching positions will steadily decline. However, true educators will never be fully replaced, because the role of a great teacher isn't just to share knowledge, but to pass on wisdom. But what happens when a small mistake can mean the difference between life and death? Can artificial intelligence replace healthcare professionals? Many physicians with expertise in artificial intelligence are warning that the future of medicine is increasingly shaped by AI and intelligent robotic systems. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by taking over diagnostic and analytical roles traditionally performed by doctors and nurses. Machine learning models can now detect diseases in medical scans with greater accuracy than the human eye. While empathy and human connection remain critical in caregiving, many routine tasks, from administrative work to preliminary diagnoses, are being handled by intelligent systems. What you see right now is a fully automated doctor's office offering personalized health assessments, diagnostics, and treatment plans powered by artificial intelligence and real-time biometric sensors without the need for traditional in-person appointments. It's easy to spot the jobs that could be replaced by AI, but what about the jobs that will not? And what about the new ones that will be created? You see, roles that require deep human emotion, creativity, ethics, or physical presence in unpredictable environments cannot be easily replaced. Therapists, electricians, plumbers, and even writers have one thing in common. All of these professions are deeply rooted in human nature and rely heavily on human judgment. It may sound odd, but AI can assist in building a car, yet it still can't fix a leaking faucet. It might be able to write a poem, but it will never come close to capturing the soul of Shakespeare. The same applies to musicians, athletes, and even pilots. Artificial intelligence is here to stay, and we have no choice but to embrace it. Stopping progress is impossible. The only real option is to accept it and learn how to harness its power.